boys and girls, welcome back. We're about to blast off to Eudora? Is that what it's called? Eudora? I don't know. We gotta fight a robot general. Listen, I apologize for last episode here. No commentary. It's probably better.
Quite lovely. That should just about do it. Commander, we are finished with this world. Commence towing our planet to its next destination. Lieutenant!
Yes, sir.
You have fulfilled your tree quota. Barely.
We are ready to return to base.
Not so fast, Lieutenant. Just because we don't need any more trees doesn't mean they should have them. Destroy everything.
He's my favorite type of bad guy. Yeah, last episode, no commentary. Apologize for that, or you're welcome for that, depending on how annoying you find my voice. But yeah, we're gonna fight this robot dude with a cigar. Does nicotine affect robots? We're about to find out. I mean, if they can't get lung cancer, I know that for sure. Hey! Nice try, Slick. How do I shoot shit again? Yeah, oh, I don't have a lot in that. So let's go to the... I mean, I guess the bomb. I don't love it, but... The glove of... I do want the glove of...
Oh, that's a nice one.
That's not worth it. No, I'm not gonna buy no fuel. You can get it for free from these bad guys here. Suck an egg. Yeah, okay. Actually, you know what? The bombs aren't that bad. I want that glove of doom. I want to know what that does. This is giving me, like, big Sonic vibes. You know, Robotnik going in and being like, we'll destroy their ecosystem. You know, because like at its core, Sonic was always nature versus man. Or like machine, I guess. Can I finish shutting that down? No? Can I kill you? No? Yeah, it's just giving me like big, like this is Mobius. And the whole planet's getting roboticized. But yeah, Halloween's right around the corner. I'm wondering if I should do like a Halloween. I feel like it's always hard to do like a Halloween marathon, right? Because it's like, I don't know. I got a lot of horror games, but I feel like they don't translate well to like one-offs. Like, what did I do? I did a long horror game on a Wednesday. What was that? What did I do last year? I did something, and I was like, ooh. Spooky season. What the hell was it? What did I do? I can't remember. But I'll put up a poll when this one's over. I don't know how long I got. I feel like I'm doing pretty good on this. Oh, shit. And, I don't know. I have some horror games that I've always wanted to try. But I never got around to it, and I feel like it might be perfect for the channel. Hint, hint, a GameCube one. Let me know in the comments if you know what I'm talking about, and I'll send you something. Dude, I'm killing it, man. I don't... Alright, full disclosure, I'm recording this on a Monday, and I'm a little drunk. Classic uncle behavior, right? Just drunk on a Monday. And I work a Monday through Friday job, you know? I'm just like, well... Can you... not, buddy? Thank you. Looking for your general. Any sightings of him, or? I'm also trying not to miss any bolts because I hate farming. And heaven knows I'm gonna meet someone and they're gonna be like, "Oh, we need 10,000 bolts from you," and I'll be like, "Great." Just kick me? I see that, but I want to, like, how do I... Wait, hold on. Yeah, baby. I see that, but I feel like there's more to explore. So before I... Well, I might as well do it now, right? I don't know. Oh, is it making a jump pad? Probably. Yeah, okay. You know what? I'm just gonna go for it. Suck my robot balls. One, I don't even have the Glove of Doom, and it's giving me ammo for it? I mean, sure, I'll take it. A little pricey for my tastes. Yeah, that chump ain't nothing when you have bombs. Alright, give me the boss. Where is he? He's gotta be close, right? Give me the boss. Is that... Can I go over there? It looks like fake background. Okay. That didn't look rendered to me for some reason. Oh, dude. Oh, I'm gonna die here, aren't I? Oh, yeah. Goodbye. I'm done. You know what? I'm just gonna run. Oh, this is a mistake. Give me that health. Health, please. Ah! What if I just go up here? I feel like I miss half the stuff, right? Can I, like, hit him from up here? Probably, right? Where was I before? Over here? I don't even know. Alright, I'm just gonna gun it, dude. I don't care about these guys. You're my prey. Hell yeah, dude. Come on, son. What is this?
Sweet! Gadgetron's suck cannon can vacuum up multiple enemies, then fire them out as high-caliber missiles. Caution, enemies must be small enough to fit inside the barrel.
So I'm basically Kirby? Is that what I'm hearing? I gotta try this out. Come here. Oh, I meant to, like, run and jump. Fuck! Oh, shit. Whoa. This gun kind of rules. I feel like, is this game like an early Borderlands? It's kind of starting to feel that way a little bit. Alright, just because you kept... I'm getting the Glove of
I got
Doom.
some great bargains for you today.
You're lucky I'm drunk. I only got 3 ammo for it, so... I'm gonna be very careful with this thing. Oh, look at this. This is a wall jump. I'm an idiot. But how do I can wall jump, I know I can. There it is. Never mind, that led to nothing. Hold on, I think there was another one too further on. Hold on. Wait, is this new? I don't even know, dude. Am I in a new area? I am. I feel like how did I miss this before? Or maybe this is not a new area. Is this back where the hell I came from? What the hell do I do then? Where's that boss that I'm supposed to fight? Oh, is this can I? No? What the fuck am I missing? Oh, I'm a freaking moron! Yeah, I know. I just figured that out like a second before you came up. I'm an idiot. Oh, these have to be here. I gotcha, I gotcha. You gotta be there. And you gotta be there. Got it. That rock will get moved. That's alright. I'm not gonna fuck with it. Okay. Okay. Not doing too shabby. Okay, I can fuck with this. Oh boy. Hold the phone, hold the phone. Yeet! Okay, hold the phone and yeet! Oh, fuck me, dude. Holy shit, that was close. Yeet! And then a yeet! Gotti! Wrong one. Okay, I guess we could skip the other one. That's fine.
Double tapping the triangle button.
Oops, not what I wanted. Done. Oh, there he is. Let's fuck him up. He just shit his pants?
You sure showed him.
I suppose I did.
Is your current occupation leaving a rotten taste in your mouth? Then you need to know about BTS, Blog Tactical Research Station. Hi, I'm Supreme Executive Chairman Drek, and we here at BTS are seeking motivated individuals to fill positions in these exciting careers. Grind boot tester, warhead assembly technician, mutant animal husbandry, robot repairman, suck cannon test dummy, and administrative assistant. So call BTS. Build our weapons while you build your future.
I'm calling BTS today.
Now we're talking. Did you see all the cool gadgets they're making? Let's go get some.
No, we must continue our search for Captain Quark.
You're absolutely right.
I am?
Sure. We need to find Quark. Although when we find him, wouldn't it be nice to be able to tell him where Chairman Drek is?
I suppose.
Well, we go to the space station and talk to the scientists. They work for Drek, so they're bound to know where he is.
I am unsure about your logic.
Ah, you think too much. Come on, let's go.
Are you telling me I don't know how to fight the boss here? Just got the information and skedaddle. I mean, alright. I mean, I guess that is okay. Anything else I can buy here?
I got some great bargains for you today.
Good for you. Alright, boys and girls, let's get back to our event. Alright, we're gonna skedaddle then. I mean, I guess the next episode we'll go to Blarg Station, so until then, let me just... No, yeah, all missions complete with a really... Okay. Alright, until then, stay cool, stay frosty, and hasta la pasta, babies.